One morning by the streamlet I walked and gazing round, I saw the low sun sending its beams along the ground. I saw the birch trees bending its gray stem lightly crowned. As I was wandering slowly in still and thoughtful mood, I heard the water falling near me as I stood, and shouts of cuckoos calling within the far-off wood. I lifted up mine eyelids, and there along the way I saw a fair young woman, all clad in bright array. I wondered, were she human, the early dawning day? Her breath was as the honey wrought by the wandering bee, her lips as two red berries plucked from the rowan tree, and rose red as young cherries, her round cheek fresh and free. Her forehead as the lime dust was clear and smooth and fair. Her brows were as two swallows seen far through summer air. Oh, vain the word that follows for the wonder of her hair. Free curling were her tresses, wide sporting odor sweet, and the golden lights, though hiding in shadow depths, would meet, or down her green robe gliding would haste to kiss her feet. As combs of the wild honey, her teeth were ranged in white, her eyes as dewdrops sparkling in the early morning light, or as river waters darkling on a frosty moonlight night. Oh, tell me now, oh, tell me what name to call thee by, oh, silent, modest maiden of the chaste and downcast eye, bright love with beauty laden. Oh, tell me, else I die. Art thou the sad-eyed Deirdré who mourns the red-branched night? With love's prophetic weeping she left the Alban heights. No, Deirdré still lies sleeping beneath the northern light. Oh, tell me now, oh, tell me, art thou the magic Maeve who mid the dead and dying threw down the warlike glaive? No, the cruel queen is lying beside Cornicia's wave. Art thou the fairy Ailné who bound the chief of spears with her magic waving motion in the valley of the fears? No, but the heaving ocean her druid laughter hears. All silent she stood by me, but mid her radiant hair, enwreathed in depths of brightness, I saw the shamrock rare, and my heart was filled with lightness, for my mother queen was there.